Correct way to use get__create? I'm trying to use get__create for some fields in my forms, but I'm getting a 500 error when I try to do so. One of the lines looks like this. The error I get for the above code is
get__create returns a tuple.
From the documentation get__create. Explanation. Fields to be evaluated for similarity have to be mentioned outside defaults. Rest of the fields have to be included in defaults. In case create event occurs, all the fields are taken into consideration. It looks like you need to be returning into a tuple, instead of a single variable. Do like this.
The issue you are encountering is a documented feature of get__create. When using keyword arguments other than defaults, the return value of get__create is an instance. That's why it is showing you the parens in the return value. You could use customer.source.objects.get__create, name equals website, 0, to get the correct value. Here is a link for the documentation. This URL.
get__create returns a tuple. Created has a boolean value, is created or not. Customer.source has an object of get__create method.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.